Hi everyone! Welcome back to our simple automation tutorials with Selenium in Java. Today, we'll be setting up the Microsoft Edge WebDriver. Let's get started. In a previous lecture, we successfully set up the EdgeDriver for Mozilla Firefox. Now, we'll repeat the same steps to set up the driver for Microsoft Edge. Let's add the third browser, Microsoft Edge. To do this, we'll duplicate the code from Mozilla Firefox, which we just wrote, and perform the same steps we did for Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Let's change the name of the method to openEdge, similar to the previous two methods for Firefox and Chrome. Now, let's download the Microsoft Edge driver. Go to Google and search for Microsoft Edge WebDriver. At the top of the search results, you should find the official website, developer.microsoft.com. Click on the link for Microsoft Edge WebDriver to navigate to the appropriate page. The page with different download options for the Edge WebDriver will be displayed. To download the correct version of the driver, you need to check the version of the Edge browser on your machine. Open the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner. Find the Help and Feedback item in the menu and then select About Microsoft Edge in the submenu. Click on it. There you can check the version of Microsoft Edge and the type of your system. In our case, it is version 114.0 and a 64-bit system. On the website, select the stable channel and choose the exact version 114.0 that matches your Edge browser version. Also, make sure to select the appropriate system type, x64-bit in our case. Click on the download link for the selected version and system type to download the archive with the Edge driver. Once the download is complete, extract the file from the archive to the drivers folder. Now, go back to IntelliJ IDEA and proceed with implementing the openEdge method. To make the necessary changes to the Microsoft Edge browser, follow these steps. Change the name of the executable file at the end of the line of code. Currently, it is EdgeDriver, but we need to use the new Microsoft Edge driver that we downloaded. Paste the name of this file, which we extracted to the drivers folder. Change the word gecko to Edge in the System.setProperty method to specify the Microsoft Edge driver. Change the name of the class for the WebDriver instance. Currently, it is Firefox driver, but we need to change it to EdgeDriver. With these changes, everything will be updated correctly. The final code with all the necessary modifications will be available in the materials for this lecture. Now, let's run the code. Click on the play button on the left to execute the code and run the openEdge method. The Microsoft Edge browser should open, remain open for 10 seconds, and then automatically close. Congratulations! Now the web drivers for all 3 browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, are set up correctly. If you want to run all 3 methods in one go, click on the play button at the top of the screen. The first one will run all 3 methods, Open Chrome, Open Mozilla, and openEdge. These methods will respectively open and close Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge browsers. In the next lecture, we will learn browser options, how to resize browser windows, run the browser in headless and incognito models, open the browser in a specific language, and explore additional features. We hope to see you in the next video. Happy testing!